Stop what you are doing. Put your phone down on the table. Look at the screen. I want you to visualize the last 5 people you spoke to. Your best friend, your colleague, your cousin, your neighbor, the person you text every single day. Now answer this question honestly. Are they rich? Are they free? Do they have the life you are fighting for? If the answer is no, then you are in serious trouble. You are mathematically guaranteed to fail. This is not a curse. This is not bad luck. This is physics. This is the law of averages. Welcome to the success formula. Today, we are going to have a very uncomfortable conversation. We are going to talk about the people you love, and why you might have to leave them behind. This is episode 6, Relationship Detox. Most people think they are individuals. They think they make their own choices. They think, I am smart, I can resist bad influence. That is a lie. You are not an island. You are a sponge. You are constantly absorbing the water you are swimming in. And if that water is dirty, you will be dirty. Let's look at the neuroscience. Inside your brain, there is a mechanism called mirror neurons. These are the biological basis of empathy and learning. When you see someone lift a heavy weight, your mirror neurons fire as if you are lifting it. When you see someone cry, you feel sad. This was designed to help humans survive in tribes. But in the modern world, this mechanism is dangerous. Because it doesn't just copy physical actions. It copies mindsets. It copies limitations. It copies fears. If you sit next to a man who is anxious about money, your brain downloads his anxiety. If you hang out with people who complain about the government, your brain rewires itself to be a victim. You don't choose this. It happens automatically. It happens subconsciously. It happens faster than you can blink. Rohn famously said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." This is the most scientifically accurate statement in personal development. Look at your income. It is likely the average of your 5 closest friends. Look at your fitness. It is the average of your 5 closest friends. Look at your ambition. It is the average of your 5 closest friends. If your friends spend their weekends drinking and gossiping, you will never spend your weekends building an empire. It is physically impossible to swim up a waterfall. And your toxic environment is a massive waterfall crashing down on your head. You might have the best seed in the world. You are smart. You are hardworking. You have potential. But if you plant that seed in toxic soil, it will die. Or it will grow into a twisted, weak plant. But if you take a mediocre seed and plant it in fertile soil, it will thrive. Environment is stronger than willpower. Repeat that. Environment is stronger than willpower. You cannot battle your environment forever. Eventually, you will get tired. Eventually, you will give in. So, you must change the soil. I know what you are feeling right now. Resistance. You are thinking, but I have known them since childhood. But they are nice people. But I don't want to be arrogant. Listen to me. Loyalty to a loser is treason to your future. That sounds harsh. Good. It needs to be harsh. Because your nice friends are killing your dreams softly. They are not stabbing you with a knife. They are poisoning your food with sugar. They tell you to relax. They tell you to take it easy. They tell you that rich people are greedy. They tell you that your goals are unrealistic. They are validating your weakness. They are making you feel comfortable being average. Comfort is the enemy of growth. If you want to be in the top 1%, you cannot do what the 99% do. And the 99% hold on to toxic relationships because they are afraid of being alone. Let's talk about energy. Your energy is your currency. To build wealth, you need high focus and high energy. But there are people in your life who are energy vampires. You know who they are. You talk to them for 5 minutes, and you feel exhausted. They dump their problems on you. They gossip about people who are not in the room. They complain about things they cannot control. Every time you listen to them, you are paying a tax. You are paying with your mental clarity. You are paying with your motivation. Stop paying the tax. So, how do we execute a relationship detox? We need a systematic approach. This is not emotional. This is strategic. Step 1: the audit. Take a piece of paper. List every person you interact with weekly. Next to their name, write asset or liability. An asset adds value. They inspire, challenge, and support you. A liability subtracts value. They drain, doubt, and distract you. Be ruthless. If you are not sure, they are probably a liability. Step 2: the categorization. You cannot treat everyone the same. You need to put them into 3 buckets. Bucket of the anchors. These are the toxic ones. The jealous ones. The ones who actively mock you. Action: total deletion. Block their number. Unfriend them. Do not explain. Do not apologize. Just cut the rope. If you keep an anchor on your boat, you will sink. It doesn't matter how hard you row. Cut the rope. Bucket B: the drifters. These are the average ones. They are not bad people. They are just going nowhere. They are comfortable in the matrix. Action: distancing. You don't have to delete them, but you must demote them. If you see them 3 times a week, make it once a month. Limit the duration. Give them 1 hour, not 5 hours. Control the access to your time. Bucket C: the family. This is the hardest one, especially in India. We have deep family ties. You cannot delete your parents or your siblings. Action: compartmentalization. Love them, respect them, take care of them, but do not seek their validation. Do not share your business dreams with your skeptical uncle. Do not discuss your investments with your fearful mother. They will only project their fears onto you. Protect your vision. Keep the conversation light. Talk about the weather. Talk about cricket. But keep the keys to your mind in your pocket. Now, let's address the fear. The fear of loneliness. If I cut them off, I will have no one. I will be eating alone. I will be bored. Let me tell you the truth about success. The path to the top is lonely. Lions do not walk in herds. Sheep walk in herds. If you want to be a lion, you must learn to walk alone. Solitude is not a weakness. Solitude is a superpower. In solitude, you find yourself. In solitude, you hear your own voice. In solitude, you build the mental armor that no one can break. Do not run from the void. Step into the void. When you remove the wrong people, you create a vacuum. The universe hates a vacuum. It will rush to fill it. But you must empty the cup first. You cannot pour fresh water into a cup full of sewage. Empty the cup. Sit in the silence. Work on yourself. Read books. Go to the gym. Build your business. And slowly, a miracle will happen. You will start to vibrate at a higher frequency. And you will start to attract a new tribe. Winners attract winners. High-value people want to be around other high-value people. You will meet mentors. You will meet business partners. You will meet friends who push you to be better. Friends who talk about ideas, not people. Friends who celebrate your success, not tolerate it. But this new tribe cannot find you if you are still surrounded by the old tribe. You have to signal to the universe that you are ready for an upgrade. The signal is detox. There is a concept called the crab bucket theory. If you put a single crab in a bucket, it can climb out. But if you put many crabs in a bucket, none escape. Why? Because when one tries to climb up, the others pull it back down. Where are you going? Do you think you are better than us? Come back down here. Your environment is a bucket of crabs. They are pulling you down because your escape proves that they are stuck. Your success is a mirror to their failure. So they will try to sabotage you. They will use guilt. They will use shame. You change. Yes, tell them. Yes, I change. I am supposed to change. I am not a rock. I am a man. Do not let the crabs pull you back. Kick them off. Climb the wall. Run to the ocean. You have a destiny to fulfill. You have a family name to elevate. You have wealth to build. You cannot afford to carry dead weight. This week, I want you to take action. Identify the one person who drains you the most. And silence them. Mute their notifications. Stop initiating contact. Watch how your energy changes. Watch how your mood improves. It will feel like taking off a heavy backpack after a 10-mile run. You will feel light. You will feel free. That freedom is the first step to wealth. Wealth requires speed. You cannot run fast if you are carrying another person on your back. Drop the weight. Run fast. The world is yours, but only if you have the courage to grab it. The quality of your life is the quality of your relationships. Upgrade your standards. Upgrade your circle. Upgrade your life. I know this is hard, but you are not here for easy. You are here for greatness. And greatness requires sacrifice. Sacrifice the good for the great. Sacrifice the comfortable for the extraordinary. If you are ready to cut the rope, check the pinned comment. I have a challenge for you. I am watching. Make the cut.